This tutorial review will show you how to fix lag or slowing down issue after updating iOS 17 or newer version. The first solution is update all of your downloaded or installed apps. To do that, go to your App Store and tap on your profile photo, and here you will get update all option. So all you have to do is just tap on update all to update all of your apps and then check the issue. The second solution is turn off background app refresh. Go to your iPhone settings, scroll down, tap on general and tap on background app refresh. Tap on background app refresh and here make sure to select off and then check the issue. The third solution is free up your iPhone storage by deleting unnecessary apps and games. To do that, open your iPhone settings and tap on general, tap on iPhone storage and here search for unnecessary apps and games, and all you have to need just offload them and free up your iPhone storage. And after following the solutions, if you're still facing the same lagging or slowing down issue, then follow the last and final solution. In this step, we will reset all settings. Go to your settings and tap on general, scroll down, tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset all settings. Once done, the solution will fix the lag or slowdown issue. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe Tutorial River. See you in the next video.